You know what makes lo-fi music so great is the fact that your grandma can listen to it and your boss can listen to it. It's one of those genres that it's easy on the ears. It helps you focus on your studies or on your work. And I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty easy to make. On this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make lo-fi beats, lo-fi music for you and your boss and your grandma. Let's go. What's going on, guys? My name is Adil, Constantine. I'm a musician and a YouTuber. On this channel, I'm trying to document my journey making beat music tutorials. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe below. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to make lo-fi beats by basically doing a breakdown of the beat that I just submitted for a remix challenge, which you can check out that beat if you want in the card over here, or I'll put a link for it also in the description below. Now, what makes music lo-fi? What makes you lo-fi? One of the basic and the most important things about lo-fi music is that it's chill. So that means it's gonna be slower. It's gonna be a slow tempo. I usually like to make it between 70 and 80 beats per minute. And then second of all, you need some kind of a lo-fi keys. And by lo-fi keys, I usually go to Rhodes piano. You can't go wrong with Rhodes. It sounds beautiful. It's easy on the ears. And then what makes lo-fi stand out is some imperfections to the sound. Like, so it doesn't have to be polished. That's why a lot of times, you know, you see producers, they'll add some kind of a white noise to the beat, and that could be some vinyl cracks, some tape warping sounds, or even some beach wave sounds, which what I did in this beat. And then when it comes to drums, they have to be somewhat choked. And what I mean by that, basically the kick drum, the snare, the hi-hat, they all have to have some kind of a low pass filter. And a low pass filter, as it says, is just gonna pass the low frequency through, and that's what kind of gives it that like underwater sound. So now that we know what makes a lo-fi beat lo-fi, let's go ahead and do a beat breakdown of the beat that I just made last week. So the first thing what I did is, for that remix challenge, I downloaded all the stems. I loaded them all into Ableton, and basically I listened to all of them together, listened to all of them separately, trying to find what did I like the most about that beat to remix. And so I picked this melody of the beat, which it really stood out to me. And basically I took that part, I chopped it off, and then I turned off warping, and then I dropped it 4 semitones. And the reason why I turned off warping, because I actually wanted to slow it down. And it sounds more organic or more natural that way, because there's no like any CPU processing trying to, you know, warp the sound. And then the next thing I did was added some drums, and I made it simple. I just wanted a kick, a snare, and a hi-hat. And basically for that, I just went ahead and used Lo-Fi and Chill Pack from Splice by Sennheiser. And then after that, in order to add our Rhodes piano, I basically used Scarby Mark 1 from Native Instruments. I really love that plugin because the sound is so warm, and it really adds something to your lo-fi beats. So I used that plugin and made this melody. And then for the static sound, I usually use vinyl crack, but for this one, it's just the sound, the melody, all sounded so bright and happy. It just kind of put me like if I was at the beach. So I use Pigment 2 from Arturia, which is, by the way, my favorite so far software synth, and it's super powerful. You can even use samples in it. I'll definitely do a separate video to go over that, but basically what I use from there is a preset called Beach Days, which exactly matches the image that I had in my head for this beat. And then at the end, I wanted to kind of like basically just season it with some complementary melody that goes on top of everything else. And for that, I used a preset from Pigments as well. It's called Final Sunset. And that's it, guys. I just kind of like put everything together, rearranged it, and then submitted the beat for the remix challenge. And this is it. It's pretty easy. I think it's pretty straightforward. If you use those ingredients that I gave you, I'm pretty sure you're gonna make it some solid lo-fi music. And if you did, make sure to comment down below with some links to your music. I would love to check it out and see what you come up with. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Hang around, check out the next video. You can even click on this card right here to check out the beat that we just broke down. Let me know if you like it. Yeah, I'm gonna stop now. All right, peace out.